Your Volkswagen's brakes are one of the most critical safety systems on your vehicle. When your brake pads wear out, replace them with VW Original Equipment brake pads. VW brake pads will ensure optimal braking performance, fit right as they were built for your VW, and produce less dust and noise. Keep an eye on these signs of worn brake pads: squeaking or squealing coming from the brakes, grinding or vibration when braking, and reduced brake performance. Finally, have your vehicle serviced regularly by us. We'll complete a thorough inspection and let you know when it's time to replace your pads. Make an appointment today. Trust us to keep you moving.